let's fix your iMessage notifications if they're not showing up. Now, if you're getting any kind of text messages and they're just not showing up, they're not popping up as a normal notification, I'm going to help you fix iMessage to definitely get that working. The very first thing that we will do is we will swipe down from the top right. And you can see here I have work mode turned on. So I can tap on that and you will want to turn off any kind of focus mode because that might be preventing a notification from coming through to your specific phone itself. So make sure you don't have any type of focus mode turned on, like do not disturb turned on. The next step that we will do is we will hop into our settings here and we will go to where it says notifications. Now we're just going to swipe down until we get to messages there, and you can see allow notifications at the very top. That is toggled on. So you want to make sure you enable notifications so that you're telling your iPhone that we're not on do not disturb mode. I want you to enable notifications. And then the last thing that we will do is we will hop out of here and check the message itself to make sure you haven't muted it. So let's head into our messages, and on this list here, let me just swipe to the left and hit that little bell icon. If you see the bell with a line through it, that means that specific message you have muted or you set it to do not disturb. So if you're not getting any notification from that specific message, that's because you've muted it. So just swipe to the left and unmute it, and you should get your notifications. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.